Okay, what is class and object in Java?
Sir, object is the real world entity that has an state, identity and behavior, and class is used to define the characteristics of an object.
Okay. Java is pure object oriented or not?
Sir, Java is not 100% as data types like int, char, which is used in C++ and C, that's why.
Okay. What is the full form of OOPS?
So OOPS is object oriented programming system.
Okay. What is the most important characteristics of object oriented programming?
Sir, most important characteristics are as it implements real world entities like hiding, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. And its main aim is to provide individual memory allocation.
Okay. What is the difference between static and dynamic variable?
Sir, static variable is used at compile time, and dynamic variable is which can be used at runtime.
Okay. Any modifier will be used under static variable?
So there are two types of modifier: access modifier and non-access modifier. So static access modifiers are public, private, protected, and non-access are static, abstract, and final.
Okay. What is final class in Java?
So final class is the special class which cannot be inherited.
Okay. Which is the default access specifier in Java?
So default only.
Okay. What is the difference between default and public?
So default can be called automatically.
And public?
Public is the we have to call it.
Okay. And specification by difference. Suppose that we declare any method public.
Yes, sir.
And if we declare any method to default,
Yes, sir.
then what will be the difference on scope on public method?
So public method is in any class we can be called. We
Okay.
can call from any class.
Okay. And default?
And default is
Suppose that you have two different packages,
Yes, sir.
package A and package B.
yes, sir.
If you are declaring default
Yes.
and public, then what will be the difference?
So it is in the same package.
Which one default?
Default
And public?
can be called from any package.
Okay. What is an immutable object in Java?
So immutable object is the object which cannot change its state after it's get constructed.
Okay. Any example of immutable object?
Examples are a string, an integer, etc.
Okay. What is concrete class in Java?
So concrete class is the class, any class it can be, but it has no abstract methods in that.
Means?
Abstract methods are not present in concrete class.
Where we use concrete class? In which situation we will use concrete class?
Sir,
Suppose that you have class A and class B.
yes, sir.
Class B extends A, then B will be concrete class or normal class?
B, sir.
B is the concrete class.
Yes, sir.
So, suppose that you have two different class A and B. B
Yes,
will be
sir.
concrete class or normal class?
So B is a child class of A class, then concrete class.
Concrete class will be defined by abstract class or normal class also can be.
So normal class can also be.
Okay. What is data abstraction?
Data abstraction means, sir, hiding unessential data from the user and showing only essential data to the user.
Any real world example of data abstraction?
Yes, sir. If we if we go to buy a car, then their technician will only describe their features of the class, not interior features like how the steering is being used. They will not describe us. They
Any
only
Java program, you can implement data abstraction. You can define any Java program
Yes,
which
sir.
follow the concept of data abstraction.
The data abstraction means hiding of any data.
How you can hide data? Suppose that you are creating the class
Yes, sir.
and you want to hide data
By encapsulating.
using encapsulation. Using
Yes.
abstraction you can't hide.
Yes, sir. By using abstract keyword.
Using abstract keyword. Any
Yes,
other
sir.
approach?
And inheritance also.
Inheritance is used for
No,
hiding.
interface also. We can use interface.
We want to restrict particular methods that it will not be accessible outside of the class. What you can do?
Sir, by using count.
No, not count I am asking. I am just asking that you have method you don't want to access outside of the class.
Yes, sir.
Then what you will do?
So we will private.
Okay. You will use private. Okay. What is the static binding and dynamic binding in Java?
So static binding and dynamic binding. So binding between a name can be associated with the class at a compile time is known as static binding, and name can be associated with the class at time of runtime. It known as dynamic binding.
Okay. Java support multiple inheritance.
Sir, actually Java does not support multiple inheritance as it creates ambiguity problem. But then too, if we have to achieve multiple inheritance in Java, we can use interface. It supports multiple inheritance in Java.
Okay. What is the difference between interface and class?
So interface is only having abstract methods, but abstract class is having abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. Interface supports multiple inheritance, but class does not support multiple inheritance. Interface is having a final and static variable, but class is having a final static, non-static, non-final variable.
Okay. Okay.